Schools will most likely look different in the fall. School districts are looking at implementing increased cleaning schedules, social distancing, masks, or smaller class sizes. The biggest challenge for schools may be their food service programs. The challenge this fall will be to keep feeding the students in the safest way possible. Many states are weighing their options, but one thing is clear: change is coming and flexibility will be key. School districts need to consider labor issues, safety issues, and budgets. There are 5 meal service models that are being discussed. 1. Classroom service with classroom dining. 2. Cafeteria service with classroom dining. 3. Cafeteria service with cafeteria seating. 4. Cafeteria service, alternative seating. Gym, outside, hallway for example. 5. Take-home meals. Current CDC recommendations include individually packaged meals in classrooms instead of in a community dining hall or cafeteria. Also, using disposable food service items and prepackaged meals. Prepackaged foods and kiosks set up throughout the school will be new additions for many programs. Grab-and-go meals will be secured with lids for convenience and safety. No matter if your school plans to have students eating in their classrooms, in the cafeteria, or taking meals home, Atrium containers can work for all of those scenarios. Atrium containers can be used for warm and cold foods. One suggestion is the Lunchbox. These clear PET lunchboxes are great for packing healthy, easy-to-see lunches. The lunchboxes have enough space to accommodate many food, snack, and drink combinations. A clear portable lunchbox can be used for either breakfast or lunch and is suitable for all grade levels. The container is durable, easy to open, and can be used as a tray when opened. Other items available through the Waddington North America portfolio are our Blaze Hot food containers that can be used to keep food hot while transporting from cafeteria to feeding location. These containers are also microwavable. W&A has many cutlery options. The Cutlery's dispenser and sanitary cutlery promotes improved hygiene and reduces the spread of germs by releasing one piece of cutlery at a time, without touching unsanitary levers or buttons. Also available is PPE equipment, including face shields. School might look different this fall, but you can still welcome your student back with a nutritious meal in any setting.